Now that you've purchased your Roam diffuser from doTERRA, how do you use it? Together, we're going to unbox the Roam diffuser and learn how to use it and diffuse the oils into your home. Okay, let's get started. Oh, the Roam diffuser. Little instructions. All right, looks like it has a little bit of battery left in there. Okay, the cord, let's get this puppy plugged in. Alrighty. Plug in the cord like that. All right, and there's the beautiful Roam diffuser. Now, it's pretty tricky when you first get it to get this puppy out. Okay, let's see here. To pry this open, I'm gonna get a butter knife to kind of pry that part open. Okay, just a little, just to get that out. There we go. A trick to make it easier for future diffusing is I like to take this rubber seal off. That way, I mean, if you're just using it in your home, it's a lot easier to get it off rather than having that seal. But having the seal, of course, does protect it from coming off if you're using it more for portable reasons. All right, so let's go ahead and put some water in this little guy. Okay, I have the charging dock plugged in. Here's the Roam diffuser. I'm gonna go ahead and fill water up to that line there. When you put it on the charger, you'll know that it's charging because it is blinking red. And once it hits green, then that's when it's done charging. So let's go ahead and add some water. It takes 100 milliliters of water. Stop there. And then I'm going to use one of my favorites, the Springtime Blend, which is the Citrus Bloom. So I'm going to add about 4 to 6 drops or more. Sometimes more comes out. And then I'm going to put the lid on. And then to start it, you will hit the button on the left. Once you hit it, just press the button once. It will be misting out continuously. To switch the mist from continuous mode to intermittent mode, you would press on the power button for a couple seconds and you'll see it flash. There you go. That's how you know it's going into intermittent mode. It will flash purple 3 times to confirm that it's in intermittent mode. Now, to go back from intermittent mist mode to continuous mist mode, you would do the same thing for just over 2 seconds. Press on the power button and it will flash blue, letting you know, confirming that it's going back to continuous mode. There are 4 light options. So the first one is white. Then you have this kind of tan color. Third, you have a blue, and then the fourth is off. So when you have it charged on the charging dock, it can run up to 5 hours on the continuous mist. And if you're using it with just the battery, then it can run up to 4 hours on the continuous mist. For intermittent mist, it can run up to 10 hours when it's being charged while being powered, or up to 8 hours just using the battery. This diffuser is great for a room that is about 270 square feet. And if you want to learn more about diffuser recipes, check out this video where I have a video sharing diffuser recipes with lavender essential oil. All right, that is the Roam diffuser on how to use the Roam diffuser. If this video has been valuable to you, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about essential oils, consider subscribing to my channel. All right, have a great day.